Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron, and today we are diving into something that's going to completely change the way your business handle calls, messages, and communication in general. I'm talking about KrispCall, an all-in-one cloud telephony platform built for modern sales and support team. If you have ever struggled with managing multiple calls, sending messages to customers, or keeping communication smooth across teams, you are going to love this. Crisp Call isn't just another calling app, it's a complete cloud telephony system that helps you work smarter, save time, and connect better. So, without any wasting time, let's get into it. So, once you're here, there's a link given in the description. You can follow along. Let's go and get a view on pricing. So here, KrispCall gives us two plans, the essential and standard, and there's a custom plan. Obviously, if you have a large enterprise, you can go with custom. You can click on contact sales and KrispCall will help you. The first plan is essential, which costs around $15 per month. The second one is $40 per month, and this is pretty much popular one. If you go and purchase annually, you could save up to 20%. You can scroll down and you can compare each and everything by yourself, or you can pause the video, or you can directly come up here and check it by yourself. Now, once you're done with it, let's go and click on Get Started. Simply, you have to create an account, and if you have created your account, you can log in into this, and this is the dashboard. On the left side, you will find a lot of options. No worries, I will explain you each and everything. This is a dashboard which will give you a complete information what is happening. So it will show you the total calls, inbound calls and everything with sheets and the numbers and everything, right? That is pretty much easy to identify, and you can check the bottleneck and everything. Now let's start with one of the most powerful tools inside KrispCall. That is called Power Dialer. You can also go and click on this dialer. This is a shortcut, by the way. So let's go and click on Power Dialer. Now here you will find four options. So we have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, click on here. Now let's give a campaign name. Now here I'll just write here B2B calls, right? Then we have to upload contact CSV file. If you don't have, you can click on select from contact list and you can click on here. Now you can select it. As we don't have anything, that's why nothing is showing up here. But you can upload it directly here. And you can also create different contact lists. So for example, I will just go up here and click on B2B calls list. And then I will upload a file here. Once you upload it, click on create contact list. And if you face any problem regarding format, so click on download an example CSV file. And you have to fill up this information in this format. So it should be your full name, phone number, email, company, and addresses. And then click on create contact list. So we have uploaded our contact list here. Now let's get back to our campaign. Click on create new campaign and then click on select from contact list. Now here you can see our list is visible. Click on select. Now here you have to assign it to someone. So I'm assigning this to Christina, and the dialing number is our test number, and the calling data center. So we are calling to USA, and this is voicemail dropped. To add it, you have to simply go back to voicemail drops. Now to create a voicemail, click on voicemail drop. On the top right side corner, you will find this option of add voicemail drop, and here you have to give it a name. Now here you can select text to speech, or you can upload your original custom recording. For now, I would like to go with text to speech, and by default there's some text here, and if you want you can completely change it, and here what kind of accent you want. So I think Sydney and Australia is pretty much perfect, and I will just go with Robert. And here you can just play it and you can confirm whether this sound is perfect for you or not, and click on create voicemail drop. So now we have created it. Now the next thing which is very important, that is a call script. So click on call script. Now here you have to add a call script here if you want. So here I would like to go with, I will just give it a title, call script. Now here this is a description, so you can write it everything here. Now for example, you can just write here name, number, email and everything, and you can just fill up everything here and simply click on create. So we are done with everything here. Now let's get back to campaign and let's create our campaign. A name, done. Now select our contacts. So this is our contact, and here I will assign to Christina, test number, USA, and we have created a voicemail drop. Now here you can record this call. This is a really good feature, and this call recording can be used for the further changes or development or something else to improve your calling. And this is a cool off period. So set the relaxed time between each call. So yes, obviously I just need it. Now by default, it is selected 10 second. Now this is a call script. So just now we created a call script, and here you can just go and click on turn this on and select your call script. If you don't want to select the call script, simply you can turn this off and click on create. So our campaign has been created. Now simply just go and click on start. Now automatically you can see our campaign got started, and here automatically it will start calling. You can answer this call, you can talk with them, and after first call, after 10-second cooldown period, the next call will get started. And by the way, if you want to pause it, simply just go and click on pause here, and you can resume your campaign from here. If you want to end your campaign, you can directly do it from here, from the top right side corner. Now beside that, there's a settings gear icon, so you can enable and disable everything if you want to change anything in between. Now here it will show the campaign total duration, active call duration, and some extra information which maybe you will need it later. Now this is a reattempt call and initial call list. So this is really a good thing. Now it has started, and you can see here it's doing pretty good. So this was the one of the cool feature of KrispCall, that is a power dialer. And by the way, you can also click on dialer from here, and you can dial it directly from here, and you can call them. Right? Pretty interesting. By the way, you can also monitor performance, track call outcomes, and integrate everything directly into your CRM, keeping every note, call, and customer detail perfectly synced. Just like Power Dialer, there is some other feature which is called Bulk SMS. Just like we created a campaign on Power Dialer, we can also create a campaign on Bulk SMS. Simply, you have to upload your list, just like we uploaded in Power Dialer, and SMS template, and you can start your SMS campaign, and you can send it a SMS campaign on those number. So this is also a really good feature. You can use it. And as we know, every business need a simple way to reach their audience, whether you are promoting a new product, sending payments reminder, or sharing updates. Doing it one by one isn't practical. That's why KrispCall Bulk SMS comes in. You can send hundreds of text messages at once directly from your dashboard. Just upload your contact list, type your message, and just go and click on hit send. It's a perfect for marketing campaign, appointment reminders, or event announcement. You can even personalize messages with custom names or company field, and track delivery and engagement easily. It's very fast, efficient, and perfect for staying connected with your audience. Now let's move to the next one, which is called number purchase and free number. So now here's something really cool. KrispCall let you buy virtual numbers from over 100 countries. So if you want to purchase a number, here you will find this option of number. Click on this plus icon, and here you will find two options: VoIP, which is basically internet calling and messaging, and this is non-VoIP, which is for US. So number based on physical SIM. So let's go with this one, and here you can select this location. Right. So for example, I will just go and click on location, and I want to go with, here Adams, and there's some advanced filters, so you can use it. And that's really cool. Now this is some of the numbers which is available to buy, and it will show availability, whether this number is available for voice call, SMS, or MMS. So this number is available for everything. And this is monthly fee. And what kind of a phone number is this? This is a local, national, international, so you can check it directly from here. So if I want to go with only local, so simply click on local, or if I want to go with toll free, so click on toll free. If I want a number only for voice, I can just go and only for voice. If I want to change the location, for example, I want to buy it for a different country, let's go for Japan. So here I will just go and search for Japan, and simply, just like you can go and explore different country numbers. So just for example, if I like this number, I will just go and click on add to cart and give a name. So I will just write here a random name here, click on add to cart, and on the right side you will see some changes, and simply just go and click on confirm purchase. And in this way, you will be able to buy this number, and that number will be available here, and you can use it to call them or send SMS, or you can start a new campaign. Perfect for global businesses or anyone who want a professional international presence. Now, one of the KrispCall biggest advantage is its unified call box. So all your calls, messages, voicemails, recordings, contact details live in one single space. And that is really great. No need for multiple tools or switching between apps. Everyone on your team, by the way, I will show you how you can add your team member. They can view customer history, reply instantly, assign calls, tag conversation, everything stay organized, transparent, and easy to manage. Plus, you will get analytics on response time, missed calls, and call duration, so tracking performance is very effortless. Just for example, this is one of the lists we created in this video, and you can see here the number of contacts, the number of duration, everything you can find it here. And the next up is AI Assistant. This feature that makes KrispCall truly intelligent. Now, basically, that's an add-on, so you can just expand your workspace, and this is AI transcription and summary. So you have to just go and click on buy now, and it costs around $9 per month. It could automatically transcribe calls and generate concise summaries using advanced AI. It helps you to improve your team communication and insight effortlessly, and you can see what are the benefits. That is really great. It's like having a smart co-pilot sitting beside you. After the call, AI Assist analyzes the conversation, highlights the trend, and helps you understand customer behavior. You can easily spot repeated questions, product issues, or even tone patterns. For support team, it means faster solution, and this is the great thing. AI Assistant keep your communication sharp, accurate, and professional every single time. So guys, the setup process is super simple. No special hardware, no complex installation. Just sign up, pick a plan, and start calling right from your browser or mobile app. KrispCall is built for remote, hybrid, and on-site team. And to add a team, simply you have to just go and click on members, add the email address, give the access, whether you want to give them admin access or member access, and click on send. By the way, each member costs some amount, so you have to pay for it depending on the which plan you have chose. And anyone who wants smooth communication without the tech headache can start using it right away. This was it. I hope you found this video and this software really cool and nice. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.